What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We're back on this project doing some really exciting things. In this episode, we're going to show you how to install a sliding glass door onto our balcony, as well as how to form up this slab that's going to support our entire sunroom structure. So make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned.
I mean, how else do you want to do it, Sean?
Just disassemble it?
You can't disassemble it.
What do you mean? Knock off the sides and the sashes come right out.
I have it as well.
Okay.
Now here, hold on. I'm gonna let go of it. It's all you guys now.
Yeah, we got it now. It's not that heavy. When God takes out a window, he installs a door.
I need that window put somewhere, and I need the door back here. What's so funny? I need you to do something today. I want the door in the backyard. Listen, I'm up on this deck. I can't do much. Once I get the door back here, I can get the RO.
You need me to get up there? I saw Bruce Springsteen drive by on his motorcycle.
Just gotta go up into me more.
Just here for backup.
All right, we're gonna pop it out. And like,
in.
I gotta close it.
Using my old trick there, Tony?
What's your trick?
Always 3 lines
Yep.
of silicone.
You got the door?
I got the door.
How we look?
I think. Can you push this top this way? Oh, okay, a little much. Leave it there.
Good?
Yeah.
Frame's good?
Frame's great. Plumb level square, finish nailing it up.
All right.
I like to do every other nail.
All right, we got a good amount done on this balcony here, but we've got more important things to do. What are we working on here, Tom?
Setting the center of our haunch so we can dig it out, set the forms, and start to get it ready for the slab.
Slab time.
Slab time.
Time to get to this slab. We have rain approaching in a couple hours, so we need to get this thing formed out. We have a concrete truck coming tomorrow. No time for games, no time for filming.
Put the camera away and get to work.
Okay. You'll see Tony on the left side here preparing our forms, and all he did was rip down a piece of plywood to 9 inches, which is the depth of the haunch, and then screw it into a 2x4 for a little bit more strength. Getting our siding off of here. We're coming up an extra, probably what, like 2 inches. The siding extended a little bit below the threshold of the door, and that's what we're coming up to, so. Everything all right there, Ant?
The Wawa in front of me doesn't have French vanilla creamer, so I need to go stop at another Wawa and pick up creamer for
God.
Christina.
As if this day couldn't get any more pressing.
Did she just text you that?
Yeah. I always pick her up coffee and creamer. Like she always texts me, get coffee and creamer on your way home. I love to do it. She kind of started taking control of that a little bit, which is fine. But she never understood the anxiety of trying to get the creamer. There's times where I've been to 5 different Wawas because they don't ever have the creamer. And I don't know what to do. I don't want to walk into the store and be like, hon, I came home with no creamer. So I go, this good thing New Jersey has a lot of Wawas.
Yeah. Thank God. We're gonna set this side of our form. We're gonna get the height exactly where we need it. Then we can take the laser measurement off of this point because we just wanna be about a ½ inch below this door threshold. So we wanna make sure that we're coming off square here. We'll show you how we do that in 1 second. But first things first, we'll get this height exactly where we need it. All right, we got our first stake set right there. You're probably wondering what that little thing is. It's just a clean out that goes to a bathroom. So we're gonna kind of adjust that so it sits flat, but it's got to be outside of our slab. Now we're gonna go 8 feet down, which I always like to do right at the first kink.
Kink of the plywood.
We have the height set over there. We're not gonna worry about the height yet with this one. We're gonna just do 6 off of the corner there, measure out 8 feet here, and then that diagonal should be 10 feet. And we need to make sure we're coming off square. Once we have the stake set in the right spot, then we can adjust it up and down depending on our height. Got our laser here. We're getting a measurement on our corner that we started with because we're going to start setting this side of the form. We leveled that across with a level. We'll double check it with the laser, but we're pretty close there. Over here, we want to make sure we're starting at the exact same elevation.
If it's beeping, that's gonna go down a little bit.
Yeah, we can always tap it down. Oh, that's a beautiful sound. We're good. We have our corner set at our elevation, and it's set right off of the foundation of the house, which is where we want to be. So we have our string line parallel with our other side there, same measurement. So all we need to do, we have this set where we want it. We can measure off the string line exactly how far our form is and make sure we duplicate that all the way down. What do we got off the string line?
4 1/4.
Oh, that's right.
That's a level look right there, Sean. Good.
Level?
Yeah. Is that a yes?
Anything if it's high, that's okay.
Good. Because we can always tap it down.
Always tap the stakes down.
All right, we got our other side set there. Now, man, what are we doing?
We're gonna measure off the house, 24 feet. That's the outside of our addition, our slab. We're gonna do the same thing on that side. Run a string line there and check for squareness.
If that's square, then we're good.
Then we're great. Communicate with me. Move the camera.
I'm sorry.
I can't see my mark.
Oh, you can't? Oh, sorry.
Pull tight. Put it on top. Plus the string line.
Yep.
Okay?
What are you doing, like 8, 10, 12?
6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 20.
12, 16, 20. There you go. It's essentially the same thing as our square there, typically called the 3, 4, 5 method. You're checking for a right triangle, but the larger the measurements that you use, the more accurate you're going to be.
We're perfect. And you can screw. Oh, you got. Don't follow that string line. Don't follow that mark.
Yeah, follow the
that.
string line.
Yeah. But can you square that down?
Stick level's good to get us close, but what do we do to really lock it in for justice?
Send a new guy to run around, like buzz around the job site with this stick and this beeping thing.
It needs to go down a tiny bit there?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, that's good.
Everything kind of just has to go down a little.
Run around the whole thing and check everything. You hit 3 spots. It looks like everything's got to go down. How do we know everything's got to go down?
It probably, like, I bet this is good because that would explain what's going on
Or
there.
then, like, you know, cutting like this measurement here, right? Like this form. What does it need?
You
I don't know.
gotta
It's
turn
gotta
the
be.
receiver a little bit. I don't think you're.
It's gonna be cut like a 238. When this cut is like a very important. It's as important as cutting a piece of crown molding.
Yep.
Man, what's that piece of crown? I don't know. Cut it like 240. Let's see what happens.
So Tom's running around with the laser level, and we can get a reading on each point of our form, and just make sure that everything is level all the way around. Raise it up, tap it down, whatever it needs. And now we're backfilling around the forms, just so when we pour the concrete, there's no risk of it kicking out and spilling out of our forms. That's it for this video. You're gonna have to tune into the next one where we actually get to installing rebar, wire mesh, and pouring the slab. As always, we appreciate you taking time to watch the video. Let us know in the comments what you want to see from future videos, because we really want to bring value to you. So until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.